Hello, I'm Ettore Grand, the founder and director of NoGap Insulation. For over 20 years, NoGap Insulation proudly served Victoria, providing top-quality insulation material and services. We specialize in delivering customized insulation solutions for both residential and commercial projects. Our skilled team ensures every job is executed with precision and care, enhancing comfort and energy efficiency for our client at home. At NoGap Insulation, we value the strong relationship we built over the years. Our focus on trust, integrity, and mutual respect has been key to our success and growth. Our mission is to continue offering the best insulation solution, exceeding expectations every step on the way. Thank you for choosing NoGap Insulation. We are excited to be part of your journey toward a more comfortable and sustainable living environment.